Let's ditch the stress and get that Fairstone loan paid off quickly and easily. First, head to the Fairstone website. You can do this on your computer or your phone's web browser. Find the My Account button, usually at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Now, enter your username or email address and your password to log into your account. If you've forgotten your login details, use the Forgot Username or Forgot Password links to reset them. Once you're logged in, you'll see your account dashboard. Find the section that displays your loan balance and the payment due date. This confirms you're in the right place. Look for a button or link that says Make a Payment, Pay Now, or something similar. Click on it to proceed to the payment options. You'll now be presented with different payment methods. You can typically pay with a debit card or directly from your bank account. Select your preferred method. I recommend bank account for lower fees. If you choose to pay from your bank account, you'll need your bank account number, transit number, and institution number. You can find these on a check or through your bank's online portal. Enter these details carefully. Review all the payment details on the confirmation screen while you're owed the amount, the date, and the payment method. If everything looks correct, click the Confirm or Submit button to finalize your payment. You should now see a confirmation message indicating that your payment has been successfully processed. Note down the reference number for your records. And that's it. You've successfully paid your Fairstone loan.